Siempre, ¿ok?
Okay. Slide it on your hand. The bottom one is the big
Hello. Hi, lấy chim tayo.
Nó chỉ nhận ổn.
Thank you for coming.
Anh nổi con cái anh nổi gì à?
Hey, congratulations. Ngon, không chấp đâu.
Hello. Ui. I like this one. Diêm của mày rồi.
One, two, three. Dấu mê thao.
Và hãy nhớ vào pháo. We're going to thank you for business. Clap your hands to welcome them to open the ceremony.
Video. Do your style.
Go, Tony! Tony shot! Oh, sniper! Oh shit, snipe!
They shared laughter, love, all of life's challenges, and they've built a beautiful family that reflects their devotion. Now, they stand before us to finally put into words what they've lived all along. Keep standing beside him as you have all these years, and to walk with him into every new chapter of your lives together.
I do.
Lai, do you promise to continue loving Wendy, to keep standing beside? May we have a ring? These rings are not just symbols of a promise, but reminders of a love that has already stood the test of time. They represent the circle of your family and unending bond you've created and the life you've built together. Take the ring. Wendy, as you place this ring on Lai's finger, repeat after me. With this ring, I give you my heart.
With this ring, I give you my heart.
I promise to walk beside you,
I promise to walk beside you,
to share in your laughter,
to share in your laughter,
to stand with you,
to stand with you,
and to keep choosing you every day
and to keep choosing you every day
for the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life.
Lai, as you place this ring on Wendy's finger, repeat after me. With this ring, I give you my heart.
With this ring, I give you my heart.
I promise to walk beside you,
Promise to walk beside you,
to share in your laughter,
to share in your laughter,
to stand with you,
to stand with you,
and to keep choosing you every day for the rest of my life.
to keep choosing you every day of my life.
Okay, at this time, Lai and Wendy would like to take a moment to honor their 5 beautiful children. You are the greatest proof of their love and the most joyful part of the life that they share.
Now married. Like, hey, you can kiss your beautiful bride.
Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Say Chow, lead the way into your happily ever after.
so on the shit. And never catch another case of no true to be missed. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. You wanna beat the thing? What is you gon' do?
You guys turn on the light. ยเมื่อวานนี้อย่าลืมพูดสีตางมาโอ้ถ้านอน
Can we leave the lights on, please, for the rest of the evening? Lights on for the rest of the evening, please. One more. Thank you.
Let me back that ass up the floor. Nah, I'm just kidding. Okay, this is gonna be a special.